Installing specific package version with pip. I am trying to install version 1.2.2 of mysql-python, using a fresh virtual env created with the no site packages option. The current version shown in pypi is 1.2.3. Is there a way to install the older version? I have tried. However, when installed, it still shows mysql-python 1.2.3 py2.6.egg info in the site packages. Is this a problem specific to this package, or am I doing something wrong?
TL, Dr. Update as of December 28, 2022. Pip install force reinstall v. For example, pip install force reinstall v mysql_python == 1.2.2. What these options mean. Force reinstall is an option to reinstall all packages even if they are already up to date. V is for verbose. You can combine for even more verbosity, i.e. VV, up to 3 times, for example, force reinstall VVV. Thanks to @Peter for highlighting this, and it seems that the context of the question has broadened given the time when the question was first asked. The documentation for Python discusses a caveat with using I, in that it can break your installation if it was installed with a different package manager or if your package is / was a different version. Original answer. Pip install for, i.e., pip install for mysql_python == 1.2.2. What these options mean. I stands for ignore installed, which will ignore the installed packages, overriding them. V is for verbose. You can combine for even more verbosity, i.e. VV, up to 3 times, for example if. For more information, see pip install help. First, I see 2 issues with what you're trying to do. Since you already have an installed version, you should either uninstall the current existing driver or use pip install on mysql_python == 1.2.2. However, you'll soon find out that this doesn't work. If you look at pip's installation log, or if you do a pip install for mysql_python == 1.2.2, you'll find that the pypi URL link does not work for mysql_python v1.2.2. You can verify this here, this URL. The download link 404s and the fallback URL links are redirecting infinitely due to SourceForge.net's recent upgrade and pypi's stale URL. So to properly install the driver, you can follow these steps.
You can even use a version range with pip install command. Something like this. And if the package is already installed and you want to downgrade it, add force reinstall like this.
One way, as suggested in this post, is to mention version in pip as I use == and mention the version number to install only that version. I, ignore installed ignores already installed packages.
To install a specific Python package version, whether it is the first time, an upgrade or a downgrade, use mysql_python version 1.2.2 is not available, so I used a different version. To view all available package versions from an index, exclude the version.
I believe that if you already have a package installed, pip will not overwrite it with another version. Use I to ignore previous versions.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.